Me and Brooks talking about going to get something to eat. We were just saying if you wanted to come. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm not a gypsy. I'm not a gypsy. I didn't use no tools. I used in my head candy. Call, Brooke. Methylphenidate. Okay, so it's called methylphenidate. So if you think that if you throw up everything else, you think that you're not gonna throw that up.
Okay, but when I want food, then I want food. I don't care if I have to throw it back up. For now, I want it.
You sound like a spoiled brat. Where is your sister? My stars is gone because I'm in Facebook jail. That's how my sisters and I are. I'm the chill one. Brooke and Jason just emotions everywhere.
Mama,
just a lot of emotionals.
She's about to wake up because she keep on doing.
Well, I can't help it. She makes me sneeze.
Well, when the cat done, you won't sneeze.
I would not watch if you acting like that. You tell me. I know how it feels having to hear it. She's hangry. She said she done ate and everything she eats she throws up. You need some Finnegan? I think I got some Finnegan in my purse. That's going to make you sleepy, which we all need. We need to put you to rest because we're tired of hearing that whining. Did I take that Finnegan out of my purse? Stop with the cat! Nope, I took it out of my purse, dang it. Shoot.
You just sneezed in my face.
I'm sorry, move your face. I knew it'd take a minute, but it was coming. Shoot, dog it. I know I'm allergic to the cat. But bring me some tissue. Baby Bella, bring me some tissue about this much. Oh. Yes, badly.
Why don't you like
this? That too, Amy, that too.
Jeez, Mommy. Bless you in the wine. I'll buy you more of that.
There we go.